Hello everyone, I am Buck, Buckwsr, putting the doom into do-it-yourself. And our do-it-yourself project today is going to feature our inaugural use of the Bauer half-inch electric impact wrench. As you can get at Harbor Freight Tools, I picked it up. 1882E-B featuring 1,050 foot-pounds of bolt breakaway torque, and we are going to break this guy in on a significant project, the Honda Odyssey 3.5 liter V6 crankshaft bolt removal. That guy right there. I'm doing the timing belt job today. Not going to show you that whole process. I just wanted to do the crank bolt removal because that is the make it or break it part of this job. I've watched a lot of videos on doing this particular job, and taking off that crank bolt is the hardest part. So if we can succeed at that, I think the rest of the job will go along just fine. So I guess this serves as sort of a review of this tool. I actually have bought it brand new. I used it first now just to take the wheel off, the lug nuts off the wheel. But now we are going to put it to the real test. Now I've also picked up this thick wall 19mm socket. And I will leave a link in the description where you can get this. But this is the special socket designed for removing these 19mm Honda crank bolts. So I'm going to put you up on the tripod, we'll plug in, and see if we can't make this happen. Keep your fingers crossed, people. All right. Here it is. Oh my goodness, I am so happy. I am so happy. That made it look so easy. I've watched so many videos on doing this job and everyone struggles with this part of it. Now, this job has been done before. I know, so it's not the first time taking this bolt off since it came from the factory. But still, I was really worried about it. Combination of this tool and that thick walled socket has made it amazingly easy. Hey, I'm really glad I'm invested in this tool. If it can handle this, it can handle pretty much anything that I'll ever be doing with it, and I'm really happy to have it. Well, there you go. That feels very satisfying. So if you're working on one of these Hondas, scared of that crank bolt removal, go with this guy. Made it look easy. Buck Buckwsr, I thank you for joining me today. Wish me luck on the rest of my project. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.